Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. Let's start today's lesson. जल्दी का काम शैतान का. Haste makes waste. You need to practice with me these proverbs. जल्दी का काम शैतान का. Haste makes waste. Next one. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. Barking dogs seldom bite. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. Barking dogs seldom bite. Next one. जहाँ जा वहाँ रा. This is very important. Where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ जा वहाँ रा. Where there is a will, there is a way. Like it means if you will try your level best to do something, you will definitely do that. Right? जहाँ जा वहाँ रा. Where there is a will, there is a way. Next one. जैसा बोगे वैसा काटोगे. As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. जैसा बोगे वैसा काटोगे. As you sow, so shall you reap. Next one. दाम बनाए काम. Money makes the mare go. दाम बनाए काम. Money makes the mare go. It means money is important, right? दाम बनाए काम. Money makes the mare go. Money makes the mare go. काम प्यारा है जाम प्यारा नहीं. Handsome is that handsome does. काम प्यारा है जाम प्यारा नहीं. Handsome is that handsome does. Handsome is that handsome does. Next one. Okay, the next one, very important. कदर खो देता है रोज का आना जाना. कदर खो देता है रोज का आना जाना. Too much familiarity breeds contempt. कदर खो देता है रोज का आना जाना. Too much familiarity breeds contempt. Too much familiarity breeds contempt. इश्क ना पूछे जात. Love is blind. इश्क ना पूछे जात. Love is blind. Okay, the next one. तवेले की बला बंदर के सर. To arrest Tom and punish Sam. तवेले की बला बंदर के सर. To arrest Tom and punish Sam. To arrest Tom and punish Sam. सांझ को आंच नहीं. Truth fears no examination. Truth fears no examination. सांझ को आंच नहीं. Truth fears no examination. धोबी का कुत्ता ना घर का ना घाट का. A rolling stone gathers no moss. धोबी का कुत्ता ना घर का ना घाट का. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. ईमानदारी बेहतरीन हिकमत अमली है. Oh my God, very important. Honesty is the best policy. ईमानदारी बेहतरीन हिकमत अमली है. Honesty is the best policy. The word is honesty. H is silent here. Right? Honesty is the best policy. Okay, the next one. दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. A burnt child dreads the fire. A burnt child dreads the fire. A burnt child dreads the fire. Okay, here is the last one perhaps. दाल में कुछ काला है. Okay, दाल में कुछ काला है. There is something wrong with the bottom. There is something wrong with the bottom. दाल में कुछ काला है. There is something wrong with the bottom. So guys, this is all about today's lesson. I hope it's very interesting one for all of you. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning with Anila Qadri and press the bell icon. Thank you.